Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to reinstall a deleted game on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a game off the home screen and then delete it. So here it's Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Campaign Remastered. Let's press options on it and then go down to delete and press OK. And this is now deleted off my PlayStation 5. It's no longer on the home screen. So to reinstall a game that you deleted, let's go on over to the game library right here. Then at the top here, you'll see the currently installed games. So currently I have 32 games installed on my PlayStation 5. And Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered is not one of them. Now at the top, let's go to your collection. And then scroll on down under here. And this is where you'll find Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered. I can see it right here, and I can select it, and then go on to download once again. It'll be added to my download list on my PlayStation 5. Let's go to my downloads, and I can see the progress in real time. So 7 minutes until I can actually play the game. Now, if you can't find it under your collection, we do have options to sort by and filter. So let's select this. So currently I have sort by selected to most recent. Since I played Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 recently, it's still at the top of my list. But I can go to name A to Z, Z to A, purchase date new to old, purchase date old to new. Then I can go by platform if it's a PS5, PS4, or PS3 game, genre, source, and hidden items right here. So let's go to A to Z, and I should be able to find Call of Duty real quick. So let's go over to the C section, and here is Call of Duty Modern Warfare right here. So that is how you can easily reinstall a game on your PlayStation 5 after you've deleted it. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go and leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.